Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. EveCalma here. I hope you all had a great week. Today I am making a healthy menu, which is vegetables cornstarch sticks stir fry. We need our shallots oil, chicken stock mix, crispy fried shallots, ground black pepper, sesame oil, soy sauce, dried shiitake mushroom, we are going to soak them, sweet bell peppers, garlic, cornstarch sticks, 1 packet of ready-made deep fried tofu, 1 whole onions, 2 spring onions for garnishing, about 10 pieces of cilantro, about 20 pieces of French beans. We are going to cut them in strips, about 2 cups of baby bok choy. I'm not sure if all of you are familiar with these. They are very hard. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to soak them with boiling water about 5 minutes. And I'll show you how they look right after. Alright, so we'll get them ready and just follow along. I am making a bigger portion today because this recipe is also good for pack-up lunches the next day for my family. So this recipe back home, we call them pancit. And we like to eat them with lemon juice and what I do with mine is I add sriracha. I love to eat sriracha with this recipe. Bon appetit! It is so good, so tasty, and the taste or the flavoring is just perfect. My friends, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, drop a comment, and if you have not done already, please subscribe and turn the bell next to it. I hope to see you next Friday. Happy cooking, and I hope you all have a great week ahead. Bye for now.